Thanks, Northeast Small Finance.
ম্যাডাম অনুরোধ করছি এখন পূর্ণচন্দ্র জমাতিয়া স্যারকে ঈশার মধ্য দিয়ে শুভেচ্ছা জ্ঞাপন করছেন আমাদের এমডি ম্যাডাম। এখন কলই স্যারকে অনারেবল EM হেলথ অ্যান্ড ARDD শুভেচ্ছা জ্ঞাপন করছেন ঈশার মধ্য দিয়ে।
Our Chief Executive Member,
I really appreciate that Tripura Tribal Area Development Council has given us this opportunity to have an MOU with them to open branches in the interior areas. And for opening of accounts, you can have all the accounts here like all other banks, all other commercial banks. Though this is named a small finance bank, not a small finance bank, it is actually a regular sort of scheduled commercial bank with a mandate to do financial inclusion, for which the name is small finance. That we have to give finances up to 25 lakhs maximum to the people for which the license is as named as small finance bank. Otherwise, you will get all the benefits here of our regular scheduled commercial bank. You can open a basic savings account without paying any money by simply giving your KYC papers, that your identification proof as well as your address proof. These are two essential documents you have to hand over. You can open business accounts with as minimum as only 5,000 rupees, where in other banks you have to give minimum 10,000 rupees. And you can apply and avail small loans for all livelihood generation activities, for agriculture, for weaving, for handicraft, for any livelihood generation activity, for piggery, for goatery, for fishery, for anything you can avail the loan from here. And Tripura Development Council has very kindly agreed to give interest subvention to these fresh borrowers also under the district council area. So that also people should avail that benefit. And all other even commercial vehicle loans also you can apply. You can apply for any other loans. That's what is the case. And we'll be happy to serve you here with all sincerity. This is the first branch, and we are opening another 8 branches in the Tripura Development Council area. Yeah, in the Ttaadc area. So we'll be opening another 8 branches. The next branch will be Killa and in Khumulwng. These 2 branches will be opened. So,
ini jeng Maharaja ni wansok mung ini jeng ya preche laikha Khumulwng ini Northeast Small Finance Bank ini branch opening kaikha ma ke chara Tripura 8 branch Phiyokjak nai Northeast Small Finance Bank sini Ttaadc by MU signing kaijak sini Tripura lokorongno jeng banking service ni bisingte bekarongno jeng loan lonani bagoi jeng process khlainai sakhanai beaba tabok jeng kahangke saime khosba busuk manai busuk janano roimanai amo tabok khana jeng thikhaime kho ani ke jeng maximum lokorongno jeng benefit khainani bagoi jeng ya preselajak jeni bobagrani bisingte khainai salo जों बैंक नि बिथिंते बोसोर बेनिफिट मा अब जों डिपार्टमेंट वाइज लोन नि व्यवस्था जों थिनां हामक्राय होनै जों चालु खायनाय हायनै जों एग्रीमेंट खालायजा थिनां हामक्राय नि बिथिंते ARDD फिशरीज एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर जों जरा लोन नावै साक बाय थांया प्रि क्राक नानि बागै इकोनॉमिकली स्ट्रंग नानि बागै साक थानाय रनो जों जुबानाय ARDD डिपार्टमेंट नि होते फाइनाय फिशारी डिपार्टमेंट नि होते फाइनाय जरा फिशारी चार्ज खायui साक बाय थांनि रां पैसा रां बिदिनो क्राक खायनायनि वानस खायके फिशारीज डिपार्टमेंट नि बिसिंति आरिमानि बिसिंति फाइमानाय पन वक टक रिमानि बिसिंति साक बाय थांनो रां बिदि मजबूत खायनाय क्राक खायनाय खायके ARDD डिपार्टमेंट सि फाइनाय दै बिसिनि त्रिपुराव जों जतन साइमानि एग्रीकल्चर डेवलपमेंट इंया हंके जोंनि इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट hani bangai agriculture sector nung moi kutung khaine ni hoiti surup khai bagan khaine ni hai loan nana ni bagai go jeng system khai tongo local ni rupuro o am chaine lupuro tomano samung khaiwi rang ajiwi manai omono basic idea nawi ni jeng MU signing khaika tani ge jeng juda bank lo thangkhai ke je boroni system bai bomahai no loan ma bono naiwi si ma khai chini orong ge jeng system khaika notice finance bank bai jeng system khaika chini maharaja system khaika nung nini am saibo nung bomono nawi nung rang paisa ajai manai obo ti prasa lukrok si one shot di ang omong bai si ani area wo bebosa khaiwi rang paisa ajai manai boni bagai ang rang nango khangke bono nahawi project sinadi je binoro nini dupkati chula sinawi binoro bebosa khaiman aro jaga dupkati khaine je jaga nung moi kuthung khai kokya kaiwi